Hey guys, welcome to Trade in the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis, episode 23 for week ending March 13, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was down 5.8%, closing at 563. Tesla closed below the green channel for the first time, breaking its long-term uptrend. Momentum to the downside continues as Tesla could very well be headed down to test the 200-day moving average at around 476. We could be nearing the bottom because if you look at the RSI, it's in oversold territory that has not been seen since March 18 of 2020. On this date, Tesla bottomed and touched the 200-day moving average, then rallied going forward. In my opinion, Tesla could be repeating history and going back down to test the 200-day moving average before bottoming out. On Tuesday, Tesla rallied nearly 20%, closing at 673.58. It ran into resistance again, touching the bottom of the orange channel at its intraday highs at around 678. Although it is not confirmed that we have bottomed at the lows at around 540, the indicators are starting to look slightly more bullish. If we look at the RSI, it has finally broken out of that downtrend after touching extremely oversold territory yesterday. Also, the MACD is starting to look more constructive as it's starting to turn upwards, as well as the histogram, which is starting to fall towards zero. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 0.8%, closing at 668.06. It broke back into the orange channel intraday, however, it fell back down and closed below it by end of day. Despite the red day, the indicators are improving rapidly. If we look at the MACD, it's no longer downward sloping and now sloping upwards. Also, the histogram is rapidly rising to zero from its lows of negative 22. These are all indicators that the negative momentum is decreasing rapidly. Also, as I mentioned on Tuesday, the RSI had broken out of the downtrend. We'll see if it can make a higher low going forward. On Thursday, Tesla was up 4.7%, closing at 699.60. It broke back into the orange channel once again and retested the bottom of the channel at around 677 at its intraday lows. The indicators are also looking more bullish. If we look at the MACD, it has turned up sharply and is about to make a bullish cross above the signal line. Meanwhile, the RSI continues to push higher after breaking out of the downtrend. Based on the recent price movement upwards, as well as the bullish indicators, it's looking more and more like Tesla has put in a bottom. On Friday, Tesla was down 0.8%, closing at 693.73. It was able to hold within the orange channel again. If the bottom of the orange channel can act as support going forward, we could see Tesla move back up, especially given the bullishness on the indicators. If we look at the MACD, it made a bullish cross above the signal line. Also, the histogram moved into positive territory. Meanwhile, the RSI continues to move higher after breaking out of that downtrend. With that said, I could see Tesla moving back up, testing the 50-day moving average at around 776. This 776 level is also where the top of the orange channel is converging upon. A break above this level and things get a lot more interesting. The top of the green channel is the next major resistance level, and that lies around 830. To the downside, the bottom of the orange channel is key support, which currently lies at around 670. If it breaks below this level, the next major support is the bottom of the green channel, which currently lies at around 575. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, if it could hold within the orange channel, it'll make its way up to the 50-day moving average at around 776. And if it breaks above that, the next major resistance would lie at around 830. Bear case, if the bottom of the orange channel does not hold as support at around 670, it'll break lower to the next major support level at around 575. Now, on to Tesla news. We've got some exciting updates for Tesla's FSD. As Elon tweeted, if you want the Tesla full self-driving beta downloaded to your car, let us know. doubling beta program size now with 8.2 and probably 10 times size with 8.3. Still be careful, but it's getting mature. With more and more Tesla owners using FSD beta, Tesla will collect more data and feedback to help improve the FSD system, which will help Tesla advance its progress in attaining a full, complete FSD build version. Tesla Model 3 demand spikes in Japan following 25% price slash. The price of a Model 3 standard range in Japan dropped by $7,000 from $48,000 to $41,000. At even more of a discount, the Model 3 long range dropped from a price of $60,450 to only $46,052. A report from TSLA highlighted Model 3 delivery estimates in Japan have been pushed back to 3 to 4 months, a staggering increase in expected wait time from the prior 6 to 8 week window. This delivery data suggests, at minimum, interest in the near term for the Tesla's entry-level EV has spiked. Tesla is slowly losing its electric vehicle crown as Ford's Mustang Mach-E cuts into sales. While Ford sold only 3,739 of the new SUVs in February, Tesla's share of the U.S. electric car market fell to 69% in the same month, down from 81% in the prior year. What's more, the Mustang accounted for nearly all of Tesla's market share losses, according to the Morgan Stanley report. Despite the new competition, Morgan Stanley's analysis found that Tesla's U.S. sales are still on the rise, with more car buyers continuing to look into purchasing an electric vehicle. EV sales in the U.S. climbed 34% in February from the previous year, while traditional internal combustion engine car sales dropped 5.4%. 1/5 of the Mustang Mach-E's sold in February were in California. For comparison, in 2019, California accounted for nearly half of Tesla's Model 3 sales. Similar to Tesla, the Mach-E has garnered recognition. The car was awarded SUV of the Year by the North American Car, Truck, and Utility Vehicle of the Year Award in January, and early testers, including other Wall Street analysts, also gave it positive marks. JP Morgan said the Mach-E could challenge Tesla inasmuch as Ford has more history and brand recognition. What do you guys think about the competition from the Mach-E? Let me know in the comments below if you think the Mach-E will be a significant threat to Tesla going forward. ARK Invest's Cathie Wood says, "Our confidence in Tesla has gone up. New Tesla price target in 1 to 2 weeks." ARK Investment Management continues to strengthen its faith in Tesla over the years as the company has and continues to develop in a number of key areas that will make it highly profitable. ARK's confidence that Tesla will be the leader in autonomous technology has increased in recent months, so the firm is preparing a new price target, which will be announced in 1 to 2 weeks. During an interview with the CNBC, ARK Investment Management founder and CEO Cathie Wood said that the firm is confident in Tesla for a number of reasons. Wood said, "Tesla didn't lose share in the EV market when the luxury brand started bringing EVs to the market. While analysts expected Tesla's share to begin to decline, the company's market share rose instead. In 2020, it exceeded 20%, while in the US it reached 80%. Autonomous technology is another reason why ARK is confident in Tesla. Recently, the company's CEO, Elon Musk, tweeted that Tesla is ready for wider distribution of FSD beta, which indicates that the company will achieve full autonomy much sooner than most analysts expect. Wood told CNBC, "The probability we've put on Tesla winning the lion's share of the autonomous taxi market in the US also has gone up, so you can imagine the price targets have gone up significantly." Tesla China sold 18.3 thousand China-made Model 3 and Model Y in February, an impressive 18% growth versus January. The CPCA reported Tesla China has sold 18,318 units of its pure electric vehicles in February 2021. This increase represents an 18.3% month-over-month growth over January sales, which is especially impressive considering February has just 28 days and the period encompasses the Chinese New Year holidays. Meanwhile, in contrast, EV makers NIO, Li, and XPeng saw their EV sales fall significantly month-over-month in February with respective declines of 22.7%, 57%, and 63%. So not only is Tesla's sales growing month-over-month, but their domestic competition is showing sales declines in the same period. This goes to show the strong demand for Tesla vehicles in China. CNBC's Phil LeBeau tweeted, "New analysis from Cairn Energy Research Advisors shows Tesla still pays the lowest average price for battery cells that go into battery packs. What's more, Tesla is expected to hold that advantage through 2030. The chart shows Tesla pays $142 per kilowatt hours, whereas GM pays $169 per kilowatt hours, and the global EV average pays about $186 per kilowatt hours. Rideshare vehicle provider EVmo takes part in fleet acquisition of Tesla EVs. EVmo plans to purchase fleet of Tesla EVs in their commitment to go all electric by the end of 2021. EVmo Chief Executive Steven Sanchez said, "The future of mobility is electric. Tesla is an obvious choice and we are excited to be one of the first Tesla rideshare fleet partners in the US that will deploy electric vehicles rather than gasoline-powered vehicles for services like Uber and Lyft." So this is great news for Tesla. So they're basically locking in these deals with rideshare providers, pretty much planting the seeds so that when they finally launch their robo-taxis, they'll already have a network of vehicles in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.